What if I told you that the majority of people make financial decisions every day without realizing that some of those decisions could completely change their financial future? The truth is, there are specific financial moves that can set you up for long-term wealth and financial security. And the scariest part? Many of us are missing out on these opportunities, either because we don't know about them or we're simply not taking action. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most impactful financial decisions that can change your life for the better in the long term. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal one financial strategy that could be a game changer for your wealth. 1. Adopt agentic AI for real-time wealth optimization. In today's world, financial management is moving beyond static spreadsheets and manual tracking tools. With the widespread integration of AI-driven tools in 2026, transitioning to an agentic AI model for real-time wealth optimization is a must. Agentic AI works by actively managing your cash flow, detecting fraud biometrically, and even automatically routing idle cash into investments. These tools are designed to plug the invisible leaks in your financial life, things like underused subscriptions, late fees, or unoptimized spending. Traditional budgeting systems can't keep up with the speed and complexity of modern financial transactions, but AI can. What makes agentic AI different from traditional budgeting is that it goes beyond just tracking your expenses. It actively manages your money, helping you save more, invest smarter, and protect yourself from financial pitfalls. The beauty of AI is its ability to continuously learn from your habits and provide tailored advice, making it one of the best ways to optimize your wealth in real time. Imagine waking up to an app that has already moved your idle cash into high-yield investments, flagged any subscriptions that are costing you more than they're worth, and alerted you to any potential financial risks. That's the power of agentic AI. And by incorporating it into your financial planning today, you're setting yourself up for a future of effortless wealth growth. 2. Lock in fixed income yields before rates retreat further. With the Federal Reserve's rate-cutting cycle in full swing, 2026 presents a critical window to secure higher returns before interest rates start to retreat. One of the smartest moves you can make right now is to lock in fixed income yields with tools like CDs or bond ladders. Interest rates on traditional savings accounts are expected to decline in the coming years, but with CDs and bonds, you can lock in today's rates for a longer period. This provides stability for your safe money and ensures that your returns won't slip as rates decrease. It's a financial move that provides peace of mind, knowing your money is working as hard as it can for the long haul. When you build a bond ladder, you're essentially creating a series of investments with staggered maturities. This strategy allows you to take advantage of higher yields while ensuring that you can still access your money periodically. By having bonds that mature at different intervals, you'll be able to reinvest at potentially higher rates as interest rates rise. As interest rates fall, the value of these investments becomes increasingly valuable. And by locking in today's higher rates, you're protecting your wealth from future declines in return rates. The key here is to act before rates drop any further. Securing higher yields now can provide a strong foundation for your financial future, guaranteeing that your money is earning the best return possible without taking unnecessary risks. This strategy not only preserves your wealth, but also offers financial flexibility by giving you periodic access to your investments, so you're never locked into one rate for too long. It's a safe and strategic move to make, ensuring you're capitalizing on the current financial environment while protecting your long-term goals. 3. Diversify into democratized alternative assets. The financial world is changing, and 2026 is the year to capitalize on new opportunities that were once only available to institutional investors. One of the most important financial decisions you can make is to diversify into democratized alternative assets like fractional real estate and private credit. In the past, high net worth individuals or large institutions were the only ones who could invest in these types of assets. However, thanks to new platforms offering fractional ownership, these once exclusive investments are now available to everyday investors. By adding non-correlated assets like real estate and private credit to your portfolio, you can reduce your exposure to the volatile tech sector, ensuring more stable long-term cash flow. Real estate has always been a powerful wealth-building tool, but the entry costs have traditionally been prohibitive. Now with fractional investing, you can own a portion of properties in desirable markets without the need to buy an entire building. Similarly, private credit platforms allow you to invest in loans or bonds from private companies, diversifying your holdings and creating additional streams of income. The value of diversifying your investments cannot be overstated. By spreading your wealth across various asset classes, you not only reduce your risk, but also increase your potential for long-term financial growth. This strategy gives you access to a broader range of opportunities and allows you to adapt to changing market conditions without putting all your eggs in one basket. It also helps you hedge against market volatility, giving you a greater sense of financial security. As more democratized platforms emerge, you're in a unique position to diversify in ways that were previously out of reach, giving you an edge in building long-term wealth. 4. Execute a multi-year OBBBA tax strategy. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, OBBBA, introduced significant changes to the tax landscape in 2026. And one of the smartest financial decisions you can make is to pivot from traditional annual tax filing to a more proactive, year-round tax-aware strategy. The OBBBA has brought about many changes that affect your tax situation, including the introduction of a new 0.5% AGI floor for charitable deductions, which allows you to deduct a portion of your income for charitable giving, but only once your adjusted gross income surpasses a certain threshold. In addition, there are new bonus deductions for seniors, and these strategic decisions can help you reduce your taxable income and increase your net wealth over time. Tax planning is no longer something you should do at the end of the year when you file your return. Instead, it's critical to engage in tax-aware financial management year-round. This approach allows you to take full advantage of tax loss harvesting opportunities, manage your charitable deductions more effectively, and maximize the benefits of tax-advantaged accounts. Executing a multi-year tax strategy can help you optimize your wealth-building efforts while reducing your tax burden. By staying ahead of the latest tax changes, you can ensure that your money is working harder for you and that you're keeping more of what you earn. With the OBBBA's new rules in place, now is the time to plan and set yourself up for long-term financial success. 5. Structure your portfolio for extended retirement horizons. With life expectancies continuing to rise and healthcare costs on the rise, one of the most important financial decisions you can make is to structure your portfolio to account for extended retirement horizons. Traditional asset allocation models that are based on your age no longer provide the comprehensive solution they once did. In 2026, it's crucial to shift from basic age-based allocation to a more nuanced approach that takes into account longer lifespans and higher potential healthcare costs. Many financial experts are now recommending scenario modeling, which helps you anticipate future challenges, such as rising medical expenses or the possibility of living well into your 90s. To do this, focus on income-generating strategies that ensure your capital lasts for decades. For example, consider investments that provide steady income streams, such as dividend-paying stocks, bonds, or real estate. Additionally, phased retirement options, such as part-time advisory roles or consulting work, can provide the financial cushion you need to stretch your capital further. These strategies not only ensure that your portfolio lasts longer, but also offer the flexibility to adapt to changes in your health or lifestyle. By planning for a longer retirement horizon, you protect yourself from outliving your savings and ensure that you have the resources to maintain your quality of life, no matter what the future holds. There you have it, the top 5 financial decisions that can change your life long-term. From adopting AI tools for wealth optimization to structuring your portfolio for a longer retirement horizon, these decisions are the building blocks for a financially secure future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on personal finance strategies. Let me know in the comments which financial decision you're most excited to implement. I'll see you in the next video.